Now, meanwhile, power and communications remain down in Westmoreland, making it difficult for residents to reach loved ones. Shamela Pullen has our story.
Hurricane Melissa turned main roads into rivers, toppled light poles and power lines, and uprooted countless trees. Debris littered streets and homes, leaving neighborhoods in chaos. Perhaps evidence of the hurricane's fury can be seen here at the police station. The courthouse was destroyed, and Manning's High School suffered near to total devastation. Even gas stations were heavily damaged. Members of the fire department say their hands have been full responding to emergencies across the parish.
In St. James, we have been responding to rescues in the Santa Cruz area, Junction, Black River, and for Black River, most of the buildings in the township would have lost their roofs. In Westmoreland, we have also been responding to rescues across the parish, Whitehall, in Negril, and also Red Ground. Most of the buildings have lost their roofs. We have one death reported in Negril, and in Hanover we have one death reported where a house overturned and a young man.
In Negril, persons described their experience when the hurricane made landfall as traumatic and unforgettable.
We went through Barra last year at home up in Green Island in the bush, and we learned a lot from that because those were 80-mile-an-hour winds, and we were very concerned when we heard of the gusts getting up to 160 to now, I guess, over 185. So we sheltered in the grill. We were fortunate in that we were able to shelter in a spot that had multiple layers of concrete wall. We spent 7 hours under a bed behind those concrete walls, sheltered underneath with ropes attached in the event that the roof was lost.
It was my fourth hurricane, but I didn't expect it to be as severe as it was. I'm telling you, like, my neighbor, that house over there, you see right there, he went a while ago. It has been there for about 45 years. And yesterday when I saw the top come off of it, I couldn't believe. Most of my damage is from my neighbor's trees, which I'd asked him to fix, and that's pretty much it. But Negril is devastated, as you can see. Really devastated.
In the aftermath, the parish has begun the slow and painstaking process of recovery. The buzz of chainsaws filled the air as some residents try to clear fallen trees and debris. Meanwhile, officials continue to assess the full extent of the damage. They also urged residents to remain cautious as recovery efforts continue.
Most of the utility poles along the roadways, especially in Westmoreland, probably about 50% of them are down. While they have been de-energized, we are still calling on residents to be very careful while traversing the roadways and try not to get entangled with any of these wires. We know it's going to take some time before the current is restored, but in the meanwhile, we encourage personnel to stay as safe as possible, stay out of flooded waters.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.